Now we are going to discuss how to prepare a molar concentration. In experimental pharmacology, we need to prepare a drug in molar concentrations, especially in vitro studies. And this presentation, we will discuss what is molar concentration and how to prepare molar concentration and why we use molar concentration in experimental pharmacology. First, what is the meaning of mole? Mole is the amount of substance that contains the same number of atoms or molecules or particles as there are atoms in 12 grams of carbon 12 used as a standard, which equal to Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. This means that a mole of carbon atoms is or contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd carbon atoms. So 1 mole of any substance, for example pure gold, for example pure water, will contain this same number of molecules or of atoms, which is 602 sextillion molecule or atom. What is the meaning of molecular weight? Molecular weight of a substance is the weight of 1 mole of that substance in grams, and is calculated from atomic mass of this substance. Is molecular mass equal molecular weight? There is a difference. Mass is a measurement of the amount of matter something contains, while weight is the measurement of the pull of gravity on an object. Mass is measured by using a balance comparing a known amount of matter to the unknown amount of matter, while weight is measured on a scale. Mass of any object doesn't change when the object's location changes, while weight on the other hand does change with the location. يعني الماس ما بتتغيرش لو أنا غيرت المكان، يعني سواء أنا على الأرض أو على القمر أو على المريخ الماس واحدة، لأن دي هي بتقيس كمية السبستنس أو الماتر اللي بتحتويها المادة. بينما الويت هو الجرافيتي، بيقيس قوة الجرافيتي أو البول أوف جرافيتي على الأوبجكت. كل ما يكون الأوبجكت تقيل كل ما هيكون الجرافيتي أكبر، قوة الجرافيتي أكبر. فبالتالي الماس مش هتتغير بتغير المكان، لكن الجرافيتي هتتغير، ولذلك الويت هيتغير. لكن regarding the same place، يعني احنا على كوكب الأرض، فإذا الماس هتساوي الويت، لأن هنا الويت مش هيتغير. Molarity. What is the meaning of molarity? Molarity is a concentration, denotes the number of moles of a substance per liter of solution. It is mol per liter, or called molar or M capital. This is the formula of molarity, which is number of moles of solutes divided by liters of solution. If we have 2 moles of dissolved particles dissolved in 4 liters of liquid, so this concentration of this solution will be half mole per liter. It is half molar, half M capital, or half mole per liter. Molarity is the most commonly used measure of concentration, particularly for diluting aqueous solutions. This table summarizes different molar concentrations. As noticed, the millimolar contain 1000 molar, micromolar contain 1000 millimolar, nanomolar will contain 1000 micromolar, picomolar contain 1000 nanomolar, and so on. How to prepare a molar concentration? This is the practical part, how to prepare a molar concentration from acetylcholine using acetylcholine hydrochloride, in which its molecular weight will be 181.7 gram per mole, which means that the weight of 1 mole of acetylcholine equal 181.7 gram. What is the mass or weight of acetylcholine hydrochloride required to prepare a 20 millimolar acetylcholine solution in 10 milliliter of distilled water, given that the molecular weight of acetylcholine in this salt is 181.7 gram per mole. Notice that different salts of the same substance may have different molecular weight of the same substance. We will use one of the 4 methods, either graph pad molarity calculator, Tokris molarity calculator, manual equation, or Excel equation. This is you can get these calculators from the internet. Search about molarity calculator. This is the graph pad, Tokris, and this is the manual equation. The mass or weight we will prepare equal in grams equal concentration I wanted to prepare by molar multiplied by volume in liter multiplied by molecular weight gram per mole. And you can use also Excel for calculating this equation. This is the GraphPad software you can get from the internet by searching about molarity calculators. When we enter the concentration we want to prepare, which is 20 millimolar, and the formula weight, which is a molecular weight of acetylcholine, 181.7, and the volume we want to prepare, 10 milliliter, and press calculate. Then the mass we want to prepare is 36.34 ملغ. يبقى احنا محتاجين نوزن وزنة من الاسيتايلكولين اللي هي 36.34 على الميزان، ونحطها في 10 ملي distilled water علشان يكون عندي concentration في الآخر اللي هو 20 ملي مولر. We can do the same in Tokris molarity calculator and we will get the same value, which is 36.34 ملغ. إذن إجابة السؤال what is the mass or the weight we want to prepare or we required is 36.34 milligram of acetylcholine dissolved in 10 milliliter water to prepare 20 millimolar concentration. How to prepare cereal dilutions? We will use the rule of 1:9. To prepare, for example, cereal dilutions, molar concentrations of acetylcholine from stock we prepare, which is 20 millimolar. We will prepare, for example, 2 millimolar, then 200 micromolar, then 20 micromolar, and so on up to 20 picomolar in a volume 10 milliliter for each concentration. We will take 1 milliliter from the higher concentration, for example, if it is 20 millimolar, in a beaker and add 9 milliliter distilled water to prepare the lower concentration, which is 2 millimolar, and so on up to 20 picomolar. في الحقيقة في فيديو هنأتاتش مع دوت أو هنحطه معاه إن شاء الله بيشرح الجزئية دي في المعمل وإزاي إحنا واقفين وبنحضر السيريال كونسنتريشنز من أول ما الوزنة بتاعة الأسيتايلكولين لحد ما نحضر اللي هو 20 بيكومولر إزاي. This is the rule of 1:9. Your homework will be to prepare phenylephrine 300 micromolar concentration in 10 milliliter. Regarding the phenylephrine, L-phenylephrine hydrochloride, molecular weight equal 203.7. Why we use molar concentration, especially in vitro studies? In vitro study, we deal with one issue, which is receptor and molecules. The interaction between drug molecule and the receptor will give the response. So as the number of molecules will increase, the response will increase. There is a direct relationship between the response and the amount of molecules, or the number of molecules will attach to the receptor. So it is very important to calculate the molecules, the number of molecules, and the number of molecules is in the mole, and molar concentration express the number of molecules indirectly. So the drug response in vitro studies depends on the number of molecules interacting with the receptor, so it is crucial to calculate the number of molecules. While in vivo studies, we deal with living organism involving its pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic factors, not only with receptors. So the dose here is calculated by grams. What is the difference between molarity and molality? This is the final point. Molarity, this is the number of moles dissolved in 1 liter solution, while molality, number of moles dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Is there a difference between molar solution and the molal solution? Yes. Molar solution will be affected by temperature and pressure, because the mole is dissolved in volume, in liter, and the volume is affected by temperature and pressure, while molal not affected because it is dissolved in weight or in a mass, which is by kg. So it is not affected by temperature or by pressure. And thank you.